In cases of natural disasters or plane loss, it's important to replace missing or damaged legal and personal documents. This is who you're going to have to contact in South Carolina for each. Deeds and recorded real estate documents. Contact County's Register of Deeds. Mortgages and other credit documents. Contact lender or the financial company. Leases. Contact landlord of the financial company. Insurance policies. Contact your insurance company/agent. Wills. Contact the attorney. Checks, savings documents, and investment material. Contact the bank, investment company, or your broker. Auto title or driver's license. Contact the Department of Motor Vehicles. Birth certificate. Contact Department of Health and Environmental Control. Social Security card. Contact local Social Security Administration office. Tax returns. Contact the IRS. Documents like contracts or divorce judgments. Contact the attorney or the court. For more information, visit consumer.sc.gov.